You never flown a FPV drone? Then you're just like me. I'm an absolute FPV drone beginner and got the chance from BetaFPV to test the FPV Drone starter kit. In this video I share you my experience and show you what results I have achieved with the BetaFPV Racing starter kit. The FPV Racing starter kit comes in a compact package. Inside you find a transport case, where you can store all the FPV drone equipment. The main components are the FPV goggle, the FPV controller and the starter Beta65S Lite racing drone. Additionally, the BetaFPV Racing starter kit includes some necessary accessories, like the battery charger and tester, 4 reserve propellers, 2 batteries for flying, the antennas for the goggle, the user manual and some more useful equipment. The great thing about the BetaFPV starter kit is that it is ready to fly out of the box. It's not necessary to parameterize anything. Do not worry about the many switches and buttons. Here is a simple quick start guide on how to start flying with the FPV Racing starter kit. Step 1. Charge the 3 main components, the FPV goggle, the controller and the quadcopter batteries. Step 2. Connect the battery to the FPV drone. Step 3. Make sure all switches and the left control stick are flipped down. Switch on the controller by long pressing the power button. After a few seconds you will see a blue light flashing. This means the drone and controller are connected. Screw the antennas onto the goggle. Turn on the FPV goggle by long pressing the power button. If you already see a picture, it's fine. Otherwise, press the search button. Step 5. Press the SA toggle switch upwards. When you now press the left control stick upwards, the drone takes off and you can start flying. This was the easy part. The difficult part is the flying itself. I highly recommend you to start flying in the level mode. The level mode is activated when the SB switch is in the down position. Now the fun starts. For me it was easier to start flying without the goggle. It takes some time until you get used to the controller and drone movements. And something like this will happen a lot. But trust me, you will get better and better and it makes a lot of fun. After some flies you can try to put on the FPV goggles. This is where it gets really awesome. You can fly through the air and control the movements yourself. This gives you a unique feeling of freedom. That may sound strange now, but you will see it. Here are some of my best shots with the BetaFPV Racing Drone starter kit. This is only FPV drone starter kit and no professional FPV drone setup. That is why the video recording quality is not comparable to professional drones. You only record the transmission video signal. In summary, I had a lot of fun learning to fly my first FPV drone. Once you figured out how it works, and when you get used to it, it's addictive. The free flight movements in combination with the speed and agility is breathtaking for me as FPV drone pilot beginner. The flight time of about 4 minutes quickly becomes too short, because all you want to do is fly. In my opinion, the BetaFPV starter kit is perfect for indoor flights. I feel like I've crashed the drone 1000 times, and it still works perfectly. I think that's important, because as FPV drone beginner, crashes are quite normal. Summarized, I'm very positively surprised by the BetaFPV starter kit. Not only it is the perfect starter kit for anyone who wants to learn flying FPV drones, it's also a cool tech gadget for everyone. One of the best things in my opinion is the brilliant price. For a little bit more than $100, you get the complete BetaFPV racing starter kit. Check out the link in the description to get your BetaFPV drone starter kit now. If you liked the video, subscribe to my channel and look forward to more Gimbal Guru content. I see you in the next video.